Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to a farmhouse. So I will show you our village life and farmhouse life. So let's begin the video. Don't skip and watch. You will definitely enjoy it. So today will be chilling kind of vlog. So मैं निकल गई हूँ और बारिश का माहौल है, मौसम भी बहुत खुशनुमा है, संडे का दिन है. सो डेफिनेटली विल एंजॉय. दिस ब्लॉग विल बी वेरी कैजुअल काइंड ऑफ ब्लॉग. सो एंजॉय वॉचिंग इट. जितना हो सका मुझसे मैंने लिया बिकॉज आई वॉज देयर टू एंजॉय एंड to leave the moment. So I just capture the moment so it will last forever. And I just love capturing every moment of my life. So here it is, just enjoy. And guys, please don't judge because I already told you that it's a very casual kind of vlog. So enjoy watching it and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Never look back. Here we go, go, go. Let us heal and grow. You won't be alone. We're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come, my tears. We're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know.
उसके लिए एम्बुलेंस बुलाई गई है.
अभी एक और खबर. एक बोतल में जहर मिला.
ऐसा करते हैं सर, आपको डिसीजन ऐसा नहीं है.
थोड़ा सा हटो वो लगेंगे भाई.
सो अब खाना तैयार है और ये सारी चीज़ें बिना अनियन गार्लिक का बना है बिकॉज आई डोंट ईट अनियन गार्लिक. सो हाउ डिलीशियस इट्स लुकिंग, लाइक आई कांट वेट टू ईट देम ऑल. एंड वी आर really enjoying a lot. Every moment I just thoroughly enjoyed every moment. वैसे भी life is all about having a good time, good memories, good vibe and of course beautiful people, and I'm enjoying with them. So
It's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clear our throat.
और ये हैं WWE फाइटर्स. वो कहीं पे भी नहीं रुकते, हर जगह स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. वो ना जगह देखते हैं ना वक्त देखते हैं, दे जस्ट स्टार्टेड. और वो बेहतरीन फाइटर्स हैं ये दोनों. यहाँ पे हम स्टोरी नरेशन सुन रहे हैं ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म की जो बनने वाली है. एंड ये इट वाज रियली, आई वाज हैविंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टाइम विद देम and I'm thoroughly enjoying with my friends and my families. Enjoy every moment you have because in life there are no rewinds, only flashbacks. Make sure it all worth it. And these beautiful birds are turkey पक्षी हैं ये, और बहुत ही खूबसूरत है और बहुत ही अच्छी अच्छी आवाज़ें निकालती है. So the best way to pay for a lovely moment is to enjoy it, and we were really enjoying a lot. Every single second, every single moment we were really enjoying, and I was really having so much fun. And यहाँ पे भजिया बन के तैयार हो रहा है. हम लोगों को भूख नहीं था फिर भी for just munching भजिया यहाँ पे तैयार हो रहा है. And we all are having an chilling time and just enjoying this beautiful get together with families.
We rise up from the dust and clear our throat. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're.
Never ever let your age interrupt your enjoyment. Enjoy every moment like a child, sharing some beautiful memories. Have fun, be yourself, enjoy life, and सो अब हम वापस जा रहे हैं. थैंक यू गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग एंड प्लीज़ टू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. Thank you so much. See you soon. Jai Shri Krishna, Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.